Hello folks, welcome back to another model kit review. Well, an inbox review I should say. I'm going to be reviewing the Heinkel 219A7 UHU by Tamiya. Built two Tamiya kits, so this is going to be my third. 1:48 scale, nice little scale for Tamiya. Okay, so let's pick this up here. Some gorgeous pictures of your airplane on the side. I believe this is a reconnaissance aircraft by the Luftwaffe, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry, I'm not the most adept at aircraft, but I've been wanting to build another Tamiya kit for a while, and I love the design of the Heinkel. The 219, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Very unique looking, I have to say. So let's crack this open and see what's inside. Now, oh my god. Oh, right, there we go. Nothing on this side, of course, but on this side, we have some nice, interesting stuff here. What's this? This is a part of the cockpit. It's made out of metal. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. I believe that's for balancing purposes, so your plane doesn't, tip over when you have it on a shelf. Spray painting, absolutely. I'm going to be spray painting this entire kit because obviously, as you can see, we're going to be doing some mottling. I've never done mottling before, so yeah, I'm not scared at all. Don't worry. Well, in classic Tamiya fashion, the parts look absolutely gorgeous. Look how well made they are. Nice, well labeled as well. Got our other little smaller pieces sitting around there. And maybe, just maybe, the propellers might spin. Who knows? If I'm not a complete moron when I'm gluing it together, maybe we might get a propeller spinning. There's the wings, of course. Nice big wings. This is quite a large kit. It looks to be about the same size as the... Oh, what was that kit name? It was an Airfix kit I built a while back. But yeah, it does look about the same size. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the details. Well, at least you could look at the details. My phone wouldn't focus. There we go. Yeah, nice rivets too. Don't know how accurate this is to the real thing, but you know what? It's fine. Even if it's not accurate, it looks gorgeous. Nice clear parts as well. Might use some Humbrol clear to bring out the shine. Or maybe not, actually. Yeah, they look pretty good to me. Of course, you have some minor instructions as well, if you want to have a look at those. There's the cockpit. That might be a little bit awkward to set up. Hopefully, the build on this is good. I won't need to get any steel files to that. And even if we do, it doesn't really matter. Wow. Okay, let's see what else we got. This is the color scheme. Well, half the color scheme, actually. Okay, let's see if I can do this one hand. There we go. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous mottling. I'm going to be using Humbrol acrylics just because they're the only ones I really have available. I could get Tamiya ones, but they're too far away, too difficult where I live, so it's fine. Some people hate the Humbrol acrylics. I don't mind them. In fact, I actually really like them. I like the way the colors pop out. Nice and vibrant. What's this? Is this important? No, just probably health and safety. And got our nice little decals as well. Gorgeous, gorgeous decals. Nice cartograph. Don't know if you can get a good look at them there. Just sort of glistering them in the light, but I suppose we won't know for sure until we get them onto the actual aircraft itself. So yeah, really like them. Gorgeous, not silvered, not damaged or anything like that. And then of course you have the actual construction booklet with some other I think that's a second paint scheme. Yeah, I believe there's two paint schemes. I'm going to build the one with the black at the bottom, one that's on the box basically. Nice design concept there. Ooh, that doesn't look complicated at all. Yeah. Yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun to build. I can't wait to start building this. I'm going to build this over the course of the next 2 weeks, and then I'll review it once I'm finished. Yeah, that's the paint scheme. I'm going to paint it in black undercarriage, and then of course the top of the fuselage and the wings being in the grey and slightly darker grey mottling finish. There's all the pieces or tools that you might need, and of course a little bit of a catalogue. Oh, look, there's the Messerschmitt. Remember that? Yeah, I built that. That was a very fun kit to build as well. Considering the age, I believe these kits are from the 90s or the early 2000s. So yeah, pretty gorgeous. Yeah, there's some really cool kits there. Yeah, pretty cool stuff indeed. Obviously you're going to need some glue, you know, when you're building this kit, but I'm sure you knew that already. Well, what can I say? I don't know until I've probably finished the kit, but knowing Tamiya, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a dream to build. It's going to be a bit scary doing the mottling for the first time, but I'll let you know how that turns out. So yeah. Alright folks, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.